Hey, this is Ryan. I'm going to give you a quick overview of this Coolvie. This is a Coolvie, Coolvie, Coolvie 10-inch mattress, bed in the box. So this is a hybrid bed that has kind of a couple different layers to it. So it has springs and it has high density foam to provide also a cooling effect as far as one of the additional layers. And so this is obviously straight out of the box. Hasn't even unrolled it yet. It does come with some instructions. It comes with a tool, so it tells you to use this to open it up, and so you're not going to have an issue cutting into it using this tool. Kind of neat. So let's open this thing up and see how it works. All right, so the instructions say once you open this up after it pretty much exploded in my face, it needs to sit for anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. Now, I've heard these have an initial odor to them, but if there is one, it hasn't started coming out. I like literally just opened this up. A size standpoint, this just happens to be the twin XL version. So this is 6 inches longer than a traditional twin mattress. So on the bottom, you can see this is the bottom, obviously. This is where you can kind of maybe feel a little bit. You can see the actual springs. And so that's gonna go obviously on the bottom, probably on a box spring, or if you have a bunk bed type setup, but in this particular application, it's gonna be going on top of a box spring. So you can see here from the material, it has sort of a perforated type texture to it. The listing shows this is something that's gonna help with kind of the cooling effect. The side material, if you could pick that up, side material, obviously it's gonna take about 48 hours or so to fully do what it needs to do, but it looks to be of a good quality material. These are not handles, just so you know from a movement standpoint. The weight of this, the shipping weight was about 55 pounds or so. It's definitely got a lot of guts to it. Also with the 10-inch bed, this just happens to be is listed as a medium, medium as far as firmness. Kind of give you an idea. Again, this is straight out of the box, what that might look like. So when you're laying on it, you can see here it has you can see on your side, you're not going to have too much cushion to where it's like squishing your face. And I mean, I'm a full grown man laying on this. I can definitely feel there's some form to it, but I'm not like stiff where I'm sitting on top of it. So I have, it's contouring to my body. I guess that's because it's sort of a hybrid. It has the foam and the springs. So you kind of get the best of both aspects of that, from the spring support, then the foam kind of contouring. So it kind of hugs your body a little bit, and that's something I didn't expect. So in summary, if you're looking for a bed that will pop right out of the box, you can put it in yourself. From a weight standpoint, you can, if around 50 pounds is something that you can move around on yourself or with somebody else. And then from sort of a dual, I think they call it a hybrid, with spring support, foam contouring support, and also I've heard these are supposed to smell for a period of time, but there's like no odor at all coming from this. I mean, there's none. So I thought for sure we were gonna have to let this thing air out for 24 to 48 hours. Maybe I just got lucky. I'm not really sure. That is what I was preparing for, and I don't. There's no odor as far as this particular one that I'm sitting on. So that'll just help with me getting this thing put into use. And it does say you should let it sit for about 24 to 48 hours just to kind of get the maximum of whatever's supposed to happen after you pull it out of the box. So hopefully that helps.